What's this thing? Oh, sorry. Didn't see you there. I was looking at something else. So, what we're gonna be... Okay, for real, guys. What is up? It's Endless here, and we're back in another video. Today, we are going to be not playing, crap. I keep saying playing every time I do a video! Okay, we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be remaking sounds. So, the first one is spray. The second one is a spotlight. And I don't know what the third one is going to be, so stay tuned for that. Alright, and turn up your volume all the way up, because this thing is quiet. So, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Did I do good? Alright, on to the second one. I'm sorry. Let me just clean you off real quick. Can you see better now? Good. Okay, I have to clean my dresser now. Hello, James Charles. Okay. Second sound is spotlight. Alright, here we go. I didn't get it. That one wasn't that good. But the third sound is this. You're still alive? Okay, I'm just kidding. Let's find the third sound. I wonder what the third sound should be. Oh, I know one. No. Yes, okay. Third sound. Okay, that one was that one was not it. I just went like this. No, I went like this. Okay, I'll actually try. No. Okay, I don't think this is gonna end up well. I'm gonna try some easier ones. Okay, whatever I touch, I have to make that sound. It only has to be with my hands, so to put this back up using my feet. Okay, that won't work. Oh, I know one. All right. Wait. Okay, yeah, we did that. All right. So, like and subscribe for part 3. Okay, if we can get, we'll just say 110 likes and you have to subscribe too, I will do a part 2 of this. Alright. So, I hope you enjoyed the shortest video I've ever done in my life. Yeah, so, see you all next time. Good.